现在就让我们一起来欣赏客家音乐。
Hey, what's up? It's time for some Hakka music here on ICRT, and today we're going to introduce you the band called Shengun, formed back in 2006. And guess what? That very same year, they won the award for Best Group at the Ho Hai Yang Rock Festival. And what's special about their style is they blend in Western and traditional Chinese instruments, such as the suona on this particular track that's called Highway Number 9. And it's a song that is inspired by a road trip that they had on this particular highway connecting south and north together. Anyways, let's go ahead and hear a good dose of Hakka rock. This is 神棍乐团。Wow, what a great song by 神棍乐团，这是非常有活力的一首歌啊！而这首歌的灵感来源呢，其实是团员们呢在前几年在骑摩托车环岛的时候啊，从屏东的南横公路来到了台东，然后再骑这个台九线啊，一路向北的回到这个宜兰跟新店台北，才赫然发现，其实这条省道啊连起了台湾的头跟尾，而有灵感写下了这首9号公路。而各位听众应该听得出来，神棍乐团啊结合了非常多的这个元素，包括我们非常熟悉的西洋摇滚啦，还有中国乐器的元素啊，像说这一首9号公路里面就有听到唢呐的声音啊，来制作出一些非常有特色的客家音乐。好的，再一次，这就是我们的神棍乐团的9号公路。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.